Now they're over there. See?
Oh, come on.
Again.
It's a competition to see who gets the best visitors.
Look at that. Oh wow.
Guess we didn't miss them after all. Let's go back for Mum and Anna.
I'm not interested.
Oh, please, come on. Oh, look, that woman's coming out to watch him.
There might be more.
In her pajamas. Ew. I don't want to see her. Oh, I don't want to see her crack. Yuck.
We'll be preparing some more.
Oh, that's why there's been a delay. They're preparing them.
Yeah.
Stop crunching, I can hear some. Keep crunching.
Oh, cool.
Don't move your position, stay here and just wait for a minute. I'll come back. Hey Justin, go back out that way on the right and see if you can go around and get that to that place. That'd be amazing.
So little rockets shoot up.
Oh, come
And then
on.
they bang.
Quick, while they're gone. Go
What?
turn right and see if you can get around to that place.
Why?
Quickly, before while they're preparing them,
Where do
please.
you want to go?
We want to get a better view,
Go right here.
so we can
Back where
record
came
it.
from.
Before?
Yeah, it might be
Better view.
See if we can try and get around that place.
You want to get around over there?
Huh?
You want to get over there?
Yeah, try and get to
Look,
that
that
place.
guy's anxious. Everyone's anxious. Oh, fireworks, fireworks. We want to go see.
Yeah.
Oh, I need the light.
See, bro.
Alright.
I'll come on the side, just keep waiting.
What do you reckon? Turn left.
Where's that place?
Over there.
Oh,
What's up, mate?
Woo!
Hey!
Woo! Just go back to that place and now I'll just say, sup, mate?
Sup, mate?
oh no,
Woo!
What's that?
Yeah?
Let's see it.
Oh! Oh! Spotlight, oh yeah.
Oh, damn, they got better views.
Where? There's more that way. There's more behind us.
Go, 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 go,
Oh,
go. Go back, please. Quick.
Hey, man.
Go. Hurry. No.
Right down the window.
Quick, 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 quick. Oh. Looks like we didn't miss them after all. Still recording. Wow. Sup, mates? Oops.
Alright. These those kids again.
Oh my
Wave your wave them.
Sup, mates?
What did you say?
Hello.
So we're all running.
This is fun. Man, this is awesome.
All the kids were covered in glows everywhere.
It goes slow and like
Yeah.
slow motion. I'll just say, sup, mate.
Mates.
Just go straight ahead. Straight ahead.
Even if we miss another lot in the back, head back this way or that way or behind us.
Car light.
Frig.
Go, go, go.
Go, 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 go!
Might be fast.
Hold on a second, that was 3 houses in a row. with everyone was like, woo! Hi! You too! Oh, low battery.
Oh shit.
That's not a fireworks, it's a light.
Dismiss.
Now where are we going? Left? Right. No.
Oh, down there. Oh,
It's still recording.
Dead end, isn't it?
No, it's not down. If it is, my bad. Someone slapped me.
Corey, slap her.
My
Corey.
pleasure. Somebody slap her for me. My pleasure.
Someone slapped me.
Are you stupid, one?
Kick her ass.
Why?
Kick her ass. Kick her ass when I'm gone. My pleasure. Kick her ass when I'm gone. My pleasure. I'm gonna record those kids this time.
Go slow motion.
Slow motion is so much, and then say stop.
Bam.
Yeah, hi. Yeah. Keep going back and forth. I'm gonna record these other dudes.
Some of you like punk. Stop punk.
Any more fireworks? Is it all finished?
Don't know.
Oh man, I can't be finished.
Don't
That's
worry,
where it
it's
was.
fun.
Must be all done. No, that one, not on.
So,
Give us some
okay,
break.
dudes. We're gonna keep bugging them till they finally get it through their heads. Where's that freaking fireworks?
Hello.
Hi!
I thought you put the red finger on.
I didn't.
What?
Someone stick a finger up.
Let's walk this time and put the red finger out.
She's like, she's blowing out your fucking hand.
Firefly.
Oh, look at that. Mr. Bean. Follow Mr. Bean. Quick, he might lead us to the fireworks. Go. Mr. Bean. Mr. Bean.
Let's get him.
Mr. Bean. Wait. We love you. You're so confident.
How was your night at the Titanic? Did you cry?
Let's stop him and ask him what he's where he's going.
Hey, Mr. Bean.
Mr. Bean.
Performing another show. This time with fireworks. Quick, go. He's right there. Tailgate that car. Look.
We're stalking him.
Go this way. Go he's right there. He's right there. Mr. Bean. This is so priceless.
Yeah.
Stop, mate.
Follow Mr. Bean. We could be following him to his house, for all we know.
What if it's a dead end?
Yeah, what if he's actually going to his home?
Oh, crap. He's home.
Who's he
Better go home.
Oh.
Sorry,
Security.
wrong man. Sorry, Mr. Bean, we might leave you be now. Oops.
We go now.
Let's go home.
No, don't. This is fun. Please.
Go home.
Aaron, don't ruin it.
Let's follow someone else.
Oh, yeah, awesome. Find another Mr. Bean dude.
Let's follow Mrs. Bean.
Mrs. Bean.
Woo!
That's where it is.
Oh look, there's a dude. Turn around.
Where?
I'm joking.
Oh, I love those signs.
Wave at anybody who you see on the road.
Yeah.
And you see the person walking on the
Like those
road.
cute guys.
Is that a long enough video now?
No.
I didn't know they're cute, they might be dead ugly.
Oh, whoa,
How'd you
look at
get
the Victor Harbour Bridge. Quick, go closer.
The Victor Harbour Bridge.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Oh, no, it's not.
Go closer, quickly. Oh,
Victor Harbour
I want to get that.
We're being followed.
Some dude's following us.
We're
I
being
think we're
followed
Mr.
now.
Bean.
We're not
Oh, that's
Mr.
just funny.
Bean. Okay, now for the last time we've got
Someone's
it.
behind us. Look.
Oh, whoa, no, look.
What is
It's
it?
an Harbour Bridge.
It's
Are
the
you in
bridge in the beach. They've lit it up for Happy New Year's. They do it every year. Hey, Mr. Bean, wait! Mrs. Bean!
We're Mr. Bean in the page.
No, wait! Hey, that could be Dad for all we know.
Clown.
No, just gonna...
Hang on, we could turn right. We could
Go!
turn right.
No!
Oh,
No!
that house goes up a long way.
Hold on. We could actually follow someone, the right person this time. They could lead us to the fireworks.
Yeah.
For all we know.